Hello viewers, this is Anil Kumar Pradhan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel AKP's Social Science. Today in this video we will discuss about multiple choice questions of class 9th CBSE. Geography, chapter 1, India, size and location. Do you know what is the position or rank of India in the world in respect of area? Which latitude divides India into approximately 2 equal parts? Where does India located? Which state of India gets first sunrise? What is the time difference between IST and GMT? Which countries of world are neighboring country to India? How many states and union territories are there in India at present? Through which state of India Tropic of Cancer is passing? How and when Indira Point is submerged? If you want to know answer to all these questions, you have to watch this video from beginning till the last. Let's start the video. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Rajasthan, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Tripura. The correct answer is Odisha. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram, 8 states of India. India is located in which hemisphere? Northern, southern, both A and B, none of this. The correct answer is northern hemisphere. India is located in a northern hemisphere. Which of the following country does not share land boundary with India? Bhutan, Tajikistan, Bangladesh, Nepal. The correct answer is Tajikistan. The countries which share common land boundary with India are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontier with China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar. The correct answer is Nepal. The easternmost longitude of India is, the correct answer is 97 degree 25 minutes east is the eastern longitude of India. Which southernmost point of India Union was submerged under the sea water in 2004 during tsunami? Kavaratti, Indira Point, Port Blair, Kanyakumari. The correct answer is Indira Point was submerged under sea water during 2004 tsunami. The latitudinal as well as longitudinal extent of the Indian mainland is about 20 degree, 40 degree, 30 degree, 35 degree. The correct answer is 30 degree. Which of the following countries has the longest coastline along the Indian Ocean? Myanmar, Pakistan, Bangladesh, India. The correct answer is India. India have 7,516.6 kilometers of coastline. The route where India has a strategic central location and which connects European countries to East Asian countries is the Trans-Arabian Sea route, Trans-Indian Ocean route, Trans-Bay of Bengal route, none of the above. The correct answer is Trans-Indian Ocean route. India does not share boundaries with which of the following countries? Bangladesh, Maldives, Nepal, Myanmar. The correct answer is Maldives. Area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, 32.8 million square kilometer, 328 million square kilometer, 1.28 million square kilometer. The correct answer is 3.28 million square kilometer. It covers about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. The distance between India and Europe was greatly reduced by 7,000 kilometers due to opening of Suez Canal in 1869, opening of English Channel, opening of Bering Strait, none of the above. The correct answer is opening of Suez Canal in 1869. A part of the coast where the land curves in so that the sea is surrounded by land on three sides is known as bay, gulf, strait, island. The correct answer is bay. How many hours is the Indian Standard Time or IST ahead or behind Greenwich Mean Time GMT? 5.5 hours ahead, 5.5 hours behind, 12 hours ahead, 6 hours ahead. The correct answer is 5.5 hours ahead. Indian Standard Time is taken along which meridian? 82 degree 30 minute east longitude, 82 degree 30 minutes west longitude, 82 degree 30 minutes north latitude, 82 degree 30 minutes south latitude. The correct answer is 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude is the Standard Time of India. Which union territory of India has the least area? Andaman Nicobar, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Delhi. The correct answer is Lakshadweep. Its total area is 32 square kilometers only. Which Indian state has the longest coastline and international border? West Bengal, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat. The correct answer is Gujarat. The north-south distance of India is 3,241 kilometers, 3,214 kilometers, 2,933 kilometers, 3,333 kilometers. The correct answer is 3,214 kilometers is the distance between north and south of India. Lakshadweep Island is situated southwest of Indian mainland in Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Andaman Sea. The correct answer is Arabian Sea. Which of the following countries is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar? Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Maldives. The correct answer is Sri Lanka. The group of islands lying in the east of Indian mainland are Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Maldives, Minicoy. The correct answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. If you intend to visit Kavatti during your summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India will you going to? Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Daman and Diu. The correct answer is Lakshadweep. My friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. Bhutan, Tajikistan, Bangladesh, Nepal. The correct answer is Tajikistan. Which parallel of latitude divide India into almost two parts or half? Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle. The correct answer is Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal parts. How many states and union territories are there in India at present? 28 states plus 8 union territories, 20 states and 8 union territories, 27 states and 9 union territories, 27 states and 8 union territories. The correct answer is 28 states and 8 union territories. What is the position of India in the world in respect of area? First, third, sixth, seventh. The correct answer is 7th. India is the 7th largest country in world. India has a land boundary of dash kilometers. 15,100 kilometers, 15,200 kilometers, 17,000 kilometers, 1,520 kilometers. The correct answer is 15,200 kilometers. India has total length of coastline of mainland including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep is dash kilometers. 7,516.6 kilometers, 7,576.6 kilometers, 7,500 kilometers, none of the above. The correct answer is 7,516.6 kilometers. What is the time lag between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh? 5 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours. The correct answer is 2 hours. Maldives Island are situated to the dash of Lakshadweep. East, west, north, south. The correct answer is south. South of Lakshadweep, Maldives is located. Which of the following influence the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north? Longitudinal extent, latitudinal extent, standard meridian, all the above. The correct answer is latitudinal extent. The standard meridian of India, 82 degrees 30 minutes east, passes through which of the following places? Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, Walang in Arunachal Pradesh, Kutch in Gujarat, Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat. What time will the watch show in Gujarat if it is 6 am in Arunachal Pradesh? 4:16 am, 7:45 am, 6 am, 6:45 am. The correct answer is 6 am. Both the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India's mainland is about 30 degree. But on looking at the map of India, which of the following alternatives do you observe about India's size? East-west extent appears to be smaller than north-south extent. East-west extent appears to be larger than north-south extent. East-west and north-south extent appears equal. North-south extent appears to be smaller than east-south extent. The correct answer is east-west extent appears to be smaller than north-west extent. By which geographical feature is India bounded in the northwest, north and northeast? C. Lava Plateau, Young Folded Mountains, Sandy Desert. The correct answer is Young Folded Mountains of Himalayas. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated southeast of Indian mainland in Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Andaman Sea. The correct answer is Bay of Bengal. Which of the following is the westernmost longitude of India? 97 degree 25 minutes east, 68 degree 7 minutes east, 68 degree 7 minutes east, 82 degree 32 minutes east. The correct answer is 68 degree 7 minutes east. Which of the following is the longitudinal extent of India? 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north, 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east, 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes west, 8 degree 4 minutes east and 37 degree 6 minutes east. The correct answer is 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east is the longitudinal extent of India. Which of the following places of India is located on the three seas? Port Blair, Kavatti, Kanyakumari, Koch. The correct answer is Kanyakumari. Due to which of the following region is the Indian Ocean named after India? India has a strategic location along the Trans-Indian Ocean route. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India. India is centrally located at the head of the Indian Ocean. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Which one of the following is the southernmost latitude of India? 8 degree 4 minutes north, 8 degree 4 minutes south, 6 degree 4 minutes south, 6 degree 4 minutes north. The correct answer is 6 degree 4 minutes south. It is the southernmost point in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The latitudinal extent of India lies between 7 degree 5 minutes north and 26 degree 5 minutes north, 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north, 12 degree 5 minutes north and 27 degree 5 minutes north, 12 degree 5 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. The correct answer is 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. The northernmost latitude of India is 97 degree 25 minutes east, 8 degree 4 minutes north, 36 degree 6 minutes north, 82 degree 32 minutes east. The correct answer is 36 degree 6 minutes north. Dash is almost surrounded by land with narrow mouth opening. Bay, Gulf, Strait, Island. The answer is Gulf. Dash is naturally formed narrow passages of water that connect two larger water bodies. Bay, Gulf, Strait, Island. The right answer is Strait. Dash is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides but is connected to mainland in one side. Peninsula, Gulf, Strait, Island. The correct answer is Peninsula. Dash is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on all sides, sea or ocean. Bay, Gulf, Strait, Island. The answer is Island. The east-west distance of India is 3,241 kilometers, 3,214 kilometers, 2,933 kilometers, 3,333 kilometers. The right answer is 2,933 kilometers. Now see here, the northernmost latitude of India is 37 degree 6 minutes north, and the southernmost one is 8 degree 4 minutes north, and it is in mainland, wherein India's island 6 degree 45 minutes north is the southernmost tip of Indian mainland, India. Here we can see 82 degree 30 minutes is Indian standard time and meridian. The distance between west to east is 2,332 kilometers. Distance between north to south is 3,214 kilometers. The neighboring countries of India are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. These are the 7 states which shares land boundary with India. I hope you got answer to all the questions. If you like it, hit the like button. Share this video among your friends. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.